It's going down. It's going down. Alright, let's go. Oh, sorry, recording. What's going on, guys? This is Vic Lee. I'm here today to do a unboxing sent by Fantastic for Kids. Very excited. They sent me this box a few weeks ago. Now I have the time to actually open it and see what's inside. Thank you to Abby and Sotero and the rest of the kids for sending me these awesome gifts. A huge box of just goodies. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be some awesome stuff in here. But yes, let's go check it out, guys. Let's get started. Let's get started. So anyways, I got a note here sent by Fantastic for Kids. It says, "To the hungry black panda, we recently went to Mexico and we thought you might like these amazing snacks. All of these are Mexican candy. They're so delicious. I hope you enjoy. P.S. Fantastic for Kids." A little note here for you guys. Check it out. Thank you for the note. Oh man, really appreciate you guys for sending me these awesome gifts. Yeah, but yes, let's get started right now. Oh my goodness. Tons of treats. You know me, I love treats. So we have, first thing we have here, we have some of this. Oh, okay. We have some Mission Salsa Verde tortilla chips. This has gotta be good. Let's try this right now, guys. Let's try this right now. See how this is right here. It has that salsa picante salsa verde flavor. Exactly like. Oh, that's yummy. Just give me some queso cheese. Just dip it in there. Explosion of flavor. Ooh! I feel a kick. There's a kick to it. A little spiciness to it. Ooh! Thank you. I like that. Dude, is this the new mega flaming hot chips that they're talking about? Oh. Tasty. Very tasty. Oh yeah. A little spice to it, a little kick to it. Thank you very much. I like this very much. It's very tasty. This got some of this burrito tamarind emerald pulp candy. Looks very good too. Thank you very much. Also got some of this. What's this? Thailand Japanese style roasted peanuts. Oh wow! I'm gonna save this for later too. Casa de Dulce peanut masapan. Oh, I know. I heard about this. It comes in this nice little package right here, and then you just open. Let's see how I don't see how you open this right now. Real quick, let's see. Oh, it's actually very delicate. It breaks apart, and let's see how this is. Yeah, it just breaks apart easily. So let's see how this is. Oh, it smells like peanut. It smells like peanut. Oh, this actually breaks apart right away. Ooh. This is actually really good. It's almost like a powder substance. Nice, good peanut flavor. Oh yeah. That's actually very tasty. It breaks apart so easy. But anyways, thank you. Got some milk caramel candy wafers. Is that pretty cool? Yeah. Pretty interesting, right? It looks like a pancake. It looks like a caramel pancake type of deal. Oh, it's hard to break. Oh, okay. A little chip to it. It looks like it's kind of nice little texture to it. Alright. There's a wrapper inside. Is that a wrapper? Yeah, there was a wrapper. Caramel flavor, tasty, sticky. It sticks to your teeth. So it has a very nice flavor to it. Sweet as well too. It's actually very good. I definitely recommend it. So what we have next is the El Super Leon Puncheon Toffee Peanuts. Wow, it looks like it's covered peanuts in this kind of red coloring. Not sure what is it, but it has to be good. It has to be good. I'm gonna try one of these to see how this is right now. I'm not sure how these are. Peanuts. It's like a crispy, crunchy, roasted peanut. This is actually very tasty. Very tasty. Oh yeah. I do that. That was good. Oh yeah, you have one of those tomabola chili sweet and spicy tamarind candy right there. I'm gonna say this for next time. This is too much goodies here. I can't eat it all right now. But yeah, I'm gonna say this for next time. This looks like once you open it, you gotta finish it. It's a one biter kind of way. I'm gonna have that. Oh, look at this. You have a Martina al Punch. It's a tamarind fruit candy. Look at that. It's almost like a lollipop, but it's actually attached to a spoon, and then you have a little bit of a ball right here. So it's kind of like a big little snack size thing. Almost like a lollipop, but it's like a, yeah, it looks actually very homemade, like, which is actually pretty cool. And oh, it's a salty plum flavor. Salty plum flavor. Thank you. I'm gonna try this later too. What do we have here? Oh, we also have some peanuts. It's a salt and lime peanut. Pretty good. Pretty good. Thank you. We also have some sesame seed brittle. Sesame seed brittle. That's pretty cool. I like that. We also have another one of these spicy peanuts. Spicy peanuts right there. Boom. This one is a coconut candy flavor. I thought it was ice cream at first, but my ice cream will probably melt already, right? So it's not ice cream though. But it has a really nice texture to it. Okay, coconut. Okay. We also have a mixed seed brittle. Little mixed seed brittle right here. Boom. Has little sesame seeds, peanuts as well too. Also have a coconut candy bandera. The colors of Mexican flag. I love it. That's pretty cool. Let me try this right now. Coconut flavor. Oh yeah. Nice coconut flavor. Smooth, sweet. Smells good too. Oh yeah. Thank you. This is pumpkin seeds with salt. Alright, that's pretty cool. And we also have some of this Tostitos salsa verde chips. Let's try these right now. That's tasty. Salsa verde. No, salsa verde. I dig it. Yeah. Wow. Wow. These are Evans whole wheat cookies as well. Evans whole wheat cookies. Right here, sent by Fantastic for Kids. Guys, you really outdid yourself. Tons of treats here. I can't believe it. I am amazed. I am definitely gonna be snacking on these one by one every single day, guys. Thank you so much for these awesome treats. I can't believe it. There's so much snacks from Mexico. I mean, local snacks as well too. I can't believe it. These guys are from LA. Fantastic for Kids. Thank you so much. You guys are so awesome. Make sure to check out their channel. I'll be leaving the description down below. I will also be leaving the description on this box right here too. Sotero, Abby, hello to Joseph, Miss Ella, hello Ella, Yes, you guys are so awesome. Make sure to definitely go check them out. They are a Kidz channel. Awesome people, great people. I met them a few months ago and we just developed a good friendship. And yeah, I'm just happy to have met you guys. You guys are actually very amazing. But yes, this ends this video. Now, if you are interested in sending gifts as well too, I'll be leaving my Instagram account down below. I will also be linking an email for you to get in contact with me, and then we can set something up. Please make sure to subscribe to Fantastic for Kidz. Awesome channel, great people. You're not gonna regret it. Trust me, guys. This is an awesome group of people, a humble family. Anyways, guys, this ends this unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you smash the like button and make sure you hit the bell button for next time so you'll be notified. But yes, anyways, I see you next time. Peace.